Hello, welcome to Kristen Draws, where I, Kristen, draw, and where I, Kristen, cannot seem to get over a cold, as you can hear from my voice. So let's not just draw owls, let's also learn about them. For example, did you know that snowy owls hover over the potential prey with hearing that is sensitive enough to allow them to track and capture the prey moving beneath up to 8 inches of snow? Okay, let's talk about some burrowing owls. They can lay an egg every 24 to 36 hours. Burrowing owls are typically found in these large families, which is what makes them so comical, because there are just like a bunch of little owlets that are like quite similar in age, but not exactly the same age. So they begin like running and hopping around and like flapping their wings at about 3 weeks, and they jump on each other and spray each other in the face while like digging in the dirt. It's all very comical. If you want to be amused by an owl, the burrowing owl is the one. The northern hawk owls are not able to fly horizontally until 30 days after hatching, and are dependent on mature burned forest for climbing dead trees when the young are still learning to fly. Okay, I think that's about it on the owl notes. That's about it for now. We'll see if we can keep going with these with studying these owls. I am pretty hooked. They're really fun to draw, and they're really just as fun to learn about. And there's something about the owl as like a symbol as well that is pretty intriguing, right? They can both be a symbol of like wisdom and having acquired knowledge, and they can also be a symbol of like a bad omen. So they have some like fun symbology going on in our like, you know, storytelling and literary history as well. We'll see. Stay tuned. I do have a poem to read you about the pygmy owls, and I feel like I mentioned this. It's on my Substack. I don't know if I'll put it in a video. It's on the Substack. Go check out the Substack. Hey y'all, okay, so this part might feel a little random to you, right? You're like, birds in a book. But I ask you, who doesn't love a good book? And who doesn't like seeing a bird? Like, right? Am I right? No, I'm still giving you a sketchbook tour from my sketches from like a solid year ago, you guys. Like, I did these so long ago. They're so foreign to me. I'm like, I did that? Who did that? Who painted those little ducklings? Random, but I hope you're enjoying. And seriously, look at this illustration. Like, also, if you knew the story that accompanies this illustration, you'd be like, oh my gosh, adorable.
Show me.
Okay, today not so much drawing as much as there is struggling with ink. Pure ink. This little guy. Pure India ink. We're not a big fan, or at least we're not a big fan of this on this paper. Inks are fun. Ink on this paper, not so much. Hey, voiceover Kristen here. So you remember art class? Well, this is project number 1, in which we are creating a pattern using shape, space, both positive and negative, and the use of repetition of that shape over the course of a page. Okay, friends, that's it for this one. Yeah, until next time, thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. This one was shorter. Probably next time we'll continue to do art class things, so 2D design things. Our next project has to do with hatching, cross-hatching, and stippling. If you don't know what stippling is, think Chuck Close. Think like just teeny tiny dots, just making dots. Oh, I'm dreading it. It's a lot of dread. I'll keep you posted about how it goes. Okay, bye.